Sometimes when summer comes along, I kind of cringe when I look at my closet because I know that being in the water and sun means that I'm going to need something flattering to wear. I'm Gina with WTI, and I got a pair of swim shorts from HODOSPORTS, and I just love the way that they look and feel. I really love the fit on these because they come higher up in the waist, which means that I can kind of hide my belly pooch. Plus, these are fully lined. You're not gonna get like an underwear line as you would with other pairs that don't have that full liner. These are very soft. Now, of course, as you're moving, they might ride up a little bit, but they weren't to the point where it was irritating or chafing. And of course, it's really easy just to pull them down again. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. I got the size medium in black and navy blue. These have just been perfect for everything from me playing in the water, on my paddleboard, or even when I'm washing the car. They dry quickly. Plus, this is a really budget-friendly price considering how well they're made. And that's my point of view.